This is Matt from Gaslamp Computers. This video is part of my Go Open Source series where I show you open source alternatives to commercial software. In this video I'll show you how to download and install OpenOffice, the free and open source Office suite. Currently the most popular Office suite is Microsoft Office. You're probably familiar with its applications, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and maybe Access and Outlook. But by the end of this video I hope to show you that OpenOffice is a viable replacement and you probably don't need to waste your money on Microsoft Office. So OpenOffice is located at openoffice.org. You can go there to download the program. You click on I want to download openoffice.org and click download now, and it'll automatically download the correct program for your version of Windows, and it includes the Java runtime environment, which is required for OpenOffice. So we click save the file and we'll save it now. Okay, OpenOffice has been downloaded to our computer, so we double click the installer. Click next, and you'll need to unpack all the uninstall files for OpenOffice. Okay, here's the wizard for the installation. Click next. You want to do a complete install. We'll go ahead and create a link on the desktop. And now it will install the Java runtime environment. And now it's finishing up the install. Okay, OpenOffice has finished installing. Click Finish, and you'll see that it's installed. Put this icon on our desktop here. We can double click it. This is one screen that you'll have to run just once the first time you run OpenOffice. So click next. You don't have to fill out your name. Online updates are recommended to keep your product always updated. And register, click I don't want to register unless you do. And then click finish. Okay, so from this icon, you'll have a choice of opening any type of program. OpenOffice can deal with text documents, presentations, databases, drawings, spreadsheets, and formulas. We'll open the word processor. This is the equivalent of Microsoft Word. It's called OpenOffice Writer. And as you can see, it's very similar to Microsoft Word. In fact, it can even open up Microsoft Word documents. This document was created in Microsoft Word 2007. And in fact, OpenOffice can open all types of Microsoft Office documents. It can open up PowerPoint files, as seen here. And it can open up Excel files, as seen here. So the OpenOffice has different names than Microsoft Office for its programs. Their word processor is called Writer. Their spreadsheet program is called Calc instead of Excel. Their database program is called Base instead of Access. Their drawing program is called Draw instead of Publisher, and their presentation program is called Impress instead of PowerPoint. And OpenOffice also comes with OpenOffice Math, which allows you to create complex math formulas that are sometimes difficult to create in a standard word processor. So in addition to being able to open Microsoft Office documents, we can see OpenOffice also has its own set of open standard documents. So if we want to save this docx file that was created in Microsoft Word 2007, we can instead save it as an ODF, which is the Open Document text format, and the file extension is .odt. And you see that it's going to be nearly the same. This is test.odt. Okay, so one thing I like to do is that OpenOffice puts this quick starter on your computer. I don't really like things running at startup, so I go down to the quick starter, right click on it, and uncheck load OpenOffice during startup. That could add some time that it takes to open up an individual document, but I don't like having things running at startup. And then I'll exit the quick starter. You may like quick starter, so you can leave it running. Okay, so I said OpenOffice is free and open source. Let's take a look at what you get if you buy Microsoft Office. Okay, so the most popular version is Microsoft Office Home and Student. It's special in that one license allows you to install it on 3 computers, but it doesn't come with very much software. It comes with Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. That's a word processor, a presentation program, and a spreadsheet program. OpenOffice comes with all of these in addition to a database program and a drawing program. So in order to get the same thing out of Microsoft Office, you would have to pay $500 for the professional version. I should note that Microsoft Office Home and Student does not come with Microsoft Outlook, but the professional version does. This is one program that hasn't been included in the OpenOffice suite, but I recommend using Mozilla Thunderbird, which is a free and open source email client, and I've talked about it in previous videos. So as you can see, if your business has 5 computers and you want to buy Microsoft Office Standard, you'd be paying $400 per computer, maybe with a slight volume discount. But with OpenOffice, you'd be paying $0. OpenOffice is completely free for commercial use or personal use or nonprofit use. Really, whatever use you see fit, OpenOffice is free to do it. All the updates are free with OpenOffice, and unless you're an extreme Microsoft Office power user, I really doubt you'll see any difference in either the speed or the functionality of OpenOffice. So I encourage you to give it a try, save some money, and support the open source community by using OpenOffice. If you have any questions or comments, leave me a comment on YouTube or check out the blog at gaslampcomputers.com.